Welcome back to RevCheck, and today we're diving into one of the most unique and ambitious motorhomes to ever roll onto the market, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome. Now, if you know anything about the Kenworth brand, you know they're world famous for their big rigs, those long-haul trucks that dominate highways with their raw power, durability, and unmatched presence. So when Kenworth takes that pedigree and transforms it into a luxurious motorhome, you can already tell this isn't going to be your everyday camper. It's a bold fusion of trucking strength and modern luxury living on wheels. The first thing you notice about the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is its commanding exterior. It retains the DNA of a big rig with its elongated nose, high roofline, and aerodynamic curves, but everything has been smoothed and refined to give it a futuristic motorhome identity. The chrome detailing has been balanced with sleek LED lighting strips that run along the body, giving it a modern touch while still nodding to its trucking roots. The front grille has been reshaped into a more elegant design without losing that bold Kenworth signature, and the paint options range from metallic silvers and deep midnight blacks to two-tone custom finishes that make this rig stand out at any RV park or highway. Under the hood, this beast doesn't disappoint either. Kenworth has equipped the T2000 Motorhome with a hybrid diesel-electric powertrain, allowing drivers to harness raw diesel power when needed while also benefiting from electric cruising in cities or eco-restricted areas. This system not only improves fuel economy but also reduces emissions, making it a responsible option for travelers who want both performance and sustainability. The motorhome comes with over 700 horsepower, meaning hauling its massive body or towing additional gear is effortless. And thanks to adaptive suspension and smart highway cruise control, the driving experience is surprisingly smooth and user-friendly, even for something of this size. Step inside, and the magic really begins. Kenworth has clearly spared no expense in making the interior a rolling luxury home. The cockpit itself feels like an airplane-grade command center, with fully digital displays, heads-up navigation, and AI-assisted driving features that make long journeys more manageable. Both the driver and passenger seats are wrapped in premium leather, heated and cooled, with full massage functions for ultimate comfort on those endless road trips. Moving into the living quarters, you're greeted with a space that feels more like a high-end apartment than a motorhome. The lounge area includes a large L-shaped sofa finished in microfiber leather, a smart entertainment system with a retractable 65-inch OLED TV, surround sound, and even ambient lighting that can be adjusted with voice commands. The designers have maximized space efficiency, with pop-out sections that expand the width of the motorhome when parked, giving you an impressive amount of room to relax. The kitchen is equally jaw-dropping. It features quartz countertops, an induction cooktop, a full-size stainless steel refrigerator, and even a smart oven that can be pre-programmed through an app. There's a deep sink with a filtered water system, plenty of storage cabinets with soft close mechanisms, and a dining area that easily accommodates 4 adults in comfort. It feels like you're cooking at home rather than in a mobile unit. The bathroom, often a weak spot in many motorhomes, has been transformed into a true spa-like experience in the T2000. You'll find a rainfall shower with smart temperature control, a porcelain toilet with bidet functions, heated floors, and even a vanity mirror with built-in LED lighting. It's the kind of bathroom that makes you forget you're in a motorhome altogether. As for the bedroom, it's a sanctuary. The master suite includes a king-size memory foam bed with customizable firmness settings, a ceiling skylight for natural stargazing at night, and tons of storage cleverly integrated into the walls. There's another entertainment system here, along with climate control specific to the bedroom, so you can fine-tune your comfort independent of the rest of the living space. For families or guests, the T2000 also offers convertible sleeping areas, with a lounge sofa and a hidden bunk system providing additional beds without compromising style. Technology plays a huge role in this motorhome. From the smart control system that manages lighting, temperature, and entertainment, to integrated solar panels on the roof for off-grid energy independence, everything has been designed to make traveling both luxurious and convenient. There's even a security suite with cameras around the vehicle and motion detection alerts that sync to your smartphone, giving you peace of mind whether you're parked in the wilderness or in a crowded RV park. Driving a rig this large might sound intimidating, but Kenworth has integrated advanced driver assistance systems like lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic braking, and a 360-degree camera system that makes maneuvering this giant surprisingly manageable. The steering is adaptive, meaning it lightens up in tight spaces and firms up at highway speeds, giving you confidence in every scenario. When you take a step back and look at the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome as a whole, it represents more than just a luxury RV, it's a statement. It combines the rugged spirit of trucking with the comfort of modern living, creating a vehicle that appeals not only to traditional RV enthusiasts but also to adventurers who want power, luxury, and reliability in one package. Of course, a machine of this scale and quality comes with a hefty price tag, rumored to be well into the high six figures, but for those who can afford it, this motorhome delivers an experience like no other. In conclusion, the Kenworth T2000 Motorhome isn't just another RV, it's a redefinition of what mobile living can be. It takes the practicality of long-haul trucking and transforms it into a home designed for comfort, style, and innovation. Whether you're chasing sunsets across the desert, parking by the ocean for a weekend escape, or embarking on a cross-country journey, this motorhome is built to take you there with power and luxury. And that's why the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome stands out as one of the most exciting motorhomes of its era.